Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. This is gonna be quick. It's Monday. What's really happening? We don't really have much, but this week we have a lot. We actually have a lot of stuff going on today. Nothing much. Tuesday we have not really that much, but consumer confidence sometimes can move a little bit. So the most important one is going to be on Wednesday. So you can see that on Wednesday we have PMIs here and there. Not really that bad, but we have fund rates, interest rates, or FOMC from the US. So around 8 p.m. So we will be actually monitoring this. We will be trading at the news. So this is going to be very nice because we're going to hear what are they going to say about the interest rate cuts. But the most important thing is going to be on the conference. So which means we already know that they might not really cut the rates now, so they're going to keep them paused. So which means the statement is going to say a lot, and that is going to change the way the market moves. And for those who don't know, mostly before we get this news, everyone is focusing on this. So which means the volatility might start to go slower, so the market might not really move that much because we no longer count today, which means we count tomorrow. Then we will be see the action on Wednesday, and the market acts like that most of the time. So on Thursday, nothing much, but unemployment claims is there, and also NFP on Friday. So NFP is not really that important. It's not really that important, but comparing it to FOMC, it's way too small. It's a small buy comparing to that. So if we get some news, good news here, we expect to get some not really it doesn't really matter much because we have this every month, so we don't really have FOMC every month. We have 8 FOMC meetings, only 8 times per year. So which means maybe you can do the math, you'll understand. So on Friday, as we have NFP, it seems like they say the number might go a little bit lower, to 240 something, but that is still way too big. The non-farm payroll, so it means that number is also too big. Let's just hope maybe we're gonna get maybe 200 or maybe 150 there. That is gonna be nice because at least the number will be going down, because last month it was crazy high. So yeah, that is what we have this week. So you can also go check some of the news here and there just to understand what's really happening. So just know that Monday, Tuesday, the market won't be that crazy. We won't see those crazy volatilities. So for those who want to be part of the team, this will end actually tomorrow, $60 from 450. So you're saving a lot. So $60, you join our lifetime signals, which means you just pay once. So you can see, you can just WhatsApp me here, or you can just Telegram me, or on the description you will find the link to my WhatsApp. Click that link, it will take you straight to my WhatsApp. So what's really happening on the market? We starting with DXY. It shows us that the market is still trying to reverse, guys. You can see the market is trying to reverse a little bit. You can see that we have a proper resistance on top there, and it seems like the market is respecting that. We can see the market is now going down, so we will see what will happen because we have some serious news. But the overall structure, you can see that we are still on that uptrend, so the market can still reach this area and still continue. We will see what will happen. So let's hope things are not going to turn out to be like this. Let's hope maybe we're gonna see the market going down. But it's not like maybe once the market goes up we can trade. No, we will still trade, but as long as we understand the trends on those markets, yes, we will trade. But at the moment, it shows us that DXY, it's actually on a very nice bullish move. Whoa, this is crazy. What's really happening on USD/JPY? We see an aggressive reversal, and the market just touched this support and pushed up. I did not really see this. It shows that there is something happening maybe on the JPY side. Maybe it's interest rates or something. We will have to check that. But it seems like with this aggressive reversal, the market might slowly try to go a little bit lower, or maybe you can just scale with trying to go up. But with this type of a move, that it's scary. It shows us that yes, the market might be trying to go down a little bit before maybe we see another push to the upside. Then we will see what will happen here. We can still jump on this, I think, but we don't really have to chase the market, especially when we don't really understand what's really happening. Just because once you do that, it means that you have FOMO, fear of missing out. So which means once you see this, you'll say, oh, this thing will be reversing aggressively. Where do you get that? Why do you say it's gonna reverse aggressively? Just because it did melt very quick, it doesn't really mean that it will be reversing very quick. So it once FOMO actually tries, is FOMO to me, it's like you just want quick, easy money, and without solid instruction or solid plan. The only reason that you can say we need to buy is the market reversed very quick, so it means you will be trying to catch it once it tries to push up. As long as you saw something, no, get why the market sold like that, and you will understand. Maybe you can say, yeah, now I have my reasons why I can buy. You can see now it's still still very volatile. It's now going, look, it's going down. Just look at that, you see. So there are some reasons why we should just sometimes relax. Let's not try to fight the market. But what I see here is, yes, we can easily see that the market is now or still on that nice uptrend. So we will see if maybe it's going to come around that support and still push up. So this move makes this move here quite smaller, because it's actually big, by the way. It's actually big because the time we were buying there, we did make some very nice profit. But you can see the market is coming back around the same level. It's coming back around the same level, but the move was quite big. So we will see if maybe the market is going to respect this level here before we going up, or maybe the market will end up breaking out. So guys, we use serious cash here, so we're not just going to just jump on anything. But yes, it looks nice. It looks nice, like we need to jump. So you can see it's actually JPY. We can easily see even here on Euro JPY, it is still creating those volatile moves. Yes, it's like something that we can just jump in, but we need to know why. What if we just jump in and it keeps going down? You see, we have to understand that. But the fact that it touched the support, that can also be one of the reasons to say, yes, maybe let's try to buy it. But don't just buy it just because you feel like it will automatically reverse without proper reason. Sometimes we lose because we just trade without proper reason. If we can say, why did you bought? We will say, oh, I think it's reversing. That is not really some proper reasons. Just say, my strategy, we are still maybe on this uptrend. You will actually reason the way you want to reason, but you should know why you're buying or why you're selling. And when you lose, that will be a nice summary for you to track your performance, to say, you know what, I made mistake because of 1, 2, 3, and I can correct this and that and continue with this, because you understood what you were doing. But don't just jump in and out, and once you lost, you don't even know what was happening. You see, once you start to check, once you are sober, once you're done with the FOMO, and once you do the analysis, proper analysis, you start to see that, oh, I was selling on a bullish momentum. I was buying on a downtrend. Now your mind is back because you broke, or maybe, you know, it's not broke, you blown the account, you see. So now mostly your brain start to function once you blown the account, because now you see that I no longer have anything to lose. You start to think nice and slow. You start to realize that, oh, I just made a mistake because I just wanted to make money. It's not really easy to make money. You make money with rules, right? So now on Euro JPY, we can easily see that we have nice uptrend. Is still continuing very nice. We have this reversal there. I wanted that to happen, obviously, because the market was very high. We could not really continue buying where the market was, because we saw the market was around that level. So obviously, once the market do something like that, That is good, but it was very quick. Can we just jump? No, let's wait. I think the market will give us something and we can continue buying if we need to buy. But the overall structure, it is still on that uptrend. Someone said, Kenzo, update us on the $500 500 Rand account. And I don't know, it's crazy because I always update people, and then tomorrow someone comes and say, update me. Guys, I updated everyone. I think it was last week. It was last week, and because of the of one person said, Kenzo, update us on that, and I did update you that, guys, the time the market was going down on Nasdaq, and there was some nice moves on Europe, Euro USD. I did make some mistakes there and ended up blowing the account. And I said we will be starting that account again from the 1st of May, continuing further, so that we can be on the same page. Then someone came again, and not only one day, I did repeat that, but just because people, they just watch whatever they want to watch, I don't know if maybe they do not really listen to that. They still say, Kenzo, update us on this. Now I no longer know what to do. I no longer know what to update you because I explained that several times. Now we are on GBP, JPY. What's really happening? Yes, we can easily see that the market is going up. And nicely, we are on this nice uptrend going up like that. So what's really happening is we are waiting for this market. Already the market reversed, but maybe if it comes again, we can look for that buy. But I'll have to understand why we see something like that. But the bigger structure here is we are on this nice uptrend structure. Right, so on that 500 Rand account, guys, we are still going to go back on that. Yes, I did blow that account, but that account was like triple that from what I started. And fortunately, I did remove or withdraw my first 500 Rand. Yes, guys, you can still lose here and there in the market. And when you are greedy, you end up blowing the account. And on that time, I was greedy, unfortunately. But the most thing that I like, I don't really have to cherish this. I did take out my money before I blow that, right? But the aim there was to just take exactly the trade that I was taking. And the mistake that I did actually was to take pairs that I said I am not supposed to take. Euro USD. I don't really trade Euro USD, and I was just trying to scalp that. It was in a smaller profit, boom, then the market started to go down. If you still remember, Euro USD, it was actually on that downtrend, right? So yes, but still, I will be doing that again just to show everyone that yes, you can still make that. And now this time we're going to just focus on Nasdaq only, maybe until we reach 5K or 10,000. Then we can say let's add other pairs, right? Then so that we can grow that account quite slower. We're not in a hurry, guys. The term for me, I don't really look for short terms. I'm looking from 12 months going even further, and that way you actually reduce the pressure. And once you reduce the pressure, your emotions will not actually, you always going to think straight, because if you are in pressure, you feel like you're missing things. You think like you're not doing like what other people are doing. Some people, they're just doing good. You just feel like, oh, on my side things are quite slower. Yes, you are doing the right thing. If you feel like things are going slower, and if you feel that pain, that's good. You are on the right track. No one enjoys this journey, but you can just make things simpler. Follow the rules. And once you follow the rules, the problem is not going to be the actual trading. It's going to be trying to be disciplined on following the rules, not a trading itself. Because trading is quite simple. The problem is flexibility. You feel like you got everything out. You are your own boss. You just do the as you wish. You end up losing. But if you can be strict, you end up getting fewer trades. You wait for confirmation, and that it's something that mostly it's painful, because now you're waiting longer to get proper results, and most likely you will get proper results. It's just that it becomes way too slower because you can't have opportunities every second. I'm surprised, like now, if we can say, if we can just talk, let's say Monday to Friday, because I see this and it's crazy. Monday to Friday, if you go on your history, your MetaTrader history or your trading history, we can say how many orders or positions did you open. Whoa, you will see some stuff. Some people, they have more than 10 positions, more than 10 in a week. And when you check, maybe they were just trading only two things, maybe gold and maybe Nasdaq. And when you check those pairs, we never had like more than 10 opportunities and stuff like that. And you ask them, are you a scalper? No, I don't scalp, I'm a day trader. So how did you come with 40 positions per week? You see, how did you come with 40, 20 positions per week? And they are surprised when they don't really make it. They make money these 2 days and they lose it the other day. They make money the other day, they lose everything out. But the question is it that possible that you can have 20 opportunities on one thing if you are not scalping? You're just inviting the risk. You are gambling. You're just buying, selling, buying. No. Focus on smaller things. Like now, I'm not saying that just follow my strategy, but I think it will just make your job very easy. Maybe 2 to 5 positions per day, per week, it's enough, I think. Or even less, you see. So I think maybe that will help 1 or 2 people who listens. So now on Bitcoin, we can easily see that the market, it is still under this nice consolidation structure, but we can see that momentum is starting to slow down. Maybe the market will end up going up around this level. If not, it seems like the market might just end up breaking out, but at the moment we are still on that nice uptrend. So guys, learn to be disciplined. It's not an easy thing, and make that discipline your habit, and slowly you will just be strict like that, because you understand that losing is not nice. So on Euro USD, you can see that the market is moving very nice. So we had a proper sell here. The market is just playing games. We're still expecting the market to go down. Maybe we will eat here. So guys, this is just a quick update actually, so I don't really have to spend a lot of time doing the same thing that I did yesterday. So what's really happening on GBP USD, you can easily see that yes, also here quite similar to Euro USD, we had a proper sell, but the market did try to reverse. At least now it's trying to go down again. Let's hope that it's gonna push even lower. But the overall structure is what? It's actually a downtrend, right? Do you see that? I hope you see that. So on gold has been trying to go up and down. You can see it's struggling, but likely enough we did make some smaller profit here, and I hope maybe they did try to get out of that, because we had a sell here, a sell pending, so the market is just consolidating around this area. But beside that, you can easily see that we are coming from a very nice uptrend, actually aggressive uptrend. After that, we had this breakout. So this week, as we have FOMC interest rates, by the way, the most important thing, as I repeat, is going to be the conference. What do we expect next? If they did pause with the rates, if they pause with the rates on that day, on Wednesday, what do we expect next? What will happen around June? Remember, those that FOMC meeting is going to be on the 1st, which is going to be May. So which means the next one is going to be around June. So which means whatever that they're going to say is going to be way, way, way too important, right? So on gold, the market is still consolidating and stuff, but since we've broken out here, I'm still expecting maybe the market might end up going even lower, right? But the market can also change that. It's possible that we know that gold is still very, 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 very hot. So this is just a smaller reversal. Yes, there is a possibility for the market to continue going up. But at the moment, since the market broke out, it means that we have to expect the market to go down, just because we don't really have to confuse ourselves, right? So now we are actually on US30. What's really happening? We are coming from a very nice uptrend. You can see that. And then the market is now going down. You can see that we're coming from this, broke out, smaller downtrend there. The market was going down. We've been covering that for several times. Guess what? Now the market broke out of this smaller downtrend. It seems like the market might end up giving us this diagonal structure here. or ranging structure, not diagonal, sorry, a ranging structure or, or consolidation structure, because we'll be waiting for FOMC. So which means we don't really actually expect aggressive moves. So I think we had an order on Friday on Nasdaq. We are still on a smaller profit, by the way. So but if the market plays games, you can see this area. I feel like my people can just get out here. I will be updating you if the market breaks this area, then we can get on in our trades above that area, because this can be very stronger. If you check that, it's on Nasdaq, by the way. It's on Nasdaq. We were on this nice uptrend structure. This uptrend structure, you can see that. So the market broke out around that level. So this area, it might be respected. This area, it might be respected. So I will be telling my people that get out. I will update you after the market breaks out. Once the market breaks out, I will be updating you. But you can see that after the breakout, the market started to go down, aggressively tried to go up again. After this, we can say we will have some very nice buy. But at the moment, or today, I'm expecting to see the market just consolidate until we reach that Wednesday and Friday. Friday, it's NFP day, by the way. So let's see S&P 500. You can see S&P 500, it's already reaching that level where the market broke out also. So you can easily see, because I did not really draw this one properly, but you can see that we are coming from a nice uptrend. We are coming from a nice uptrend. So from that uptrend, we started to get this breakout, and then from there, it's where the market started to show us that the market is going down. But that was short-lived, because the market just gave us a smaller downtrend structure. And you can see something like this. The market was going down. Now it seems like the market is end up going up. But I feel like, you know what, we need to close this. We are not actually in a negative, so we can just close above that. We can start to look for those buy positions. So let's push to the next ones, which is US oil. US oil has been also playing around the same level. You can see that yes, the market was actually on this nice uptrend there. Then we have this smaller breakout, so we can see that the market is actually ranging, so which means the market is just playing around this level. So we will see if maybe the market breaks this resistance or not. If it breaks, it means the market will be going back on that uptrend. If it respects, it means we might still continue with this nice downtrend, especially when the market broke out of that. So of this support area. So once the market continues with this, we are just expecting the market to do what? To continue going down. So please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for those who wants to join the team. Until tomorrow, we are on $60 lifetime VIP signals. You pay once. Just WhatsApp me, then you can be part of the team. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.